Dr. Zakir, could you explain when the Eid prayer is first allowed to be prayed early in the morning, and when's the last time it can be prayed?
As far as the timing of the Eid Salah is concerned, it can be prayed any time after the sun rises approximately 3 meters above the horizon till it reaches the meridian. And majority of the scholars, they say that once the sun rises about the height of a spear above the horizon, that's to the naked eye but natural, and till the time it reaches the zenith, you can offer the prayer in between this. So before it reaches the zenith is the last time, and earliest time is after it rises from the horizon 1 spear above the height of the horizon. The hadith in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 1131. Abdullah ibn Basr, he was one of the companions of the Prophet. He one day goes to offer Salah during the day of breaking of the fast or the day of sacrifice, offer the Eid Salah, and he disliked that the Imam, he delayed in offering the Eid Salah, and he said at the time of the Prophet, at our times, by this time the prayer used to end, that's in the forenoon. So praying early is preferable in the forenoon. And according to Ibn Qudama, who writes in his book Al-Mughni, in volume number 2, page number 224, he says that as far as Eid al-Adha is concerned, Eid of the sacrifice, it should be prayed as early as possible. After the sun rises, after 1 spear of height from the horizon, it should be prayed as early as possible because people have to go back home, they have to sacrifice, then later on they have to cook the food so that they can have the meat of the sacrifice by afternoon. And as far as the Salah for Eid al-Fitr is concerned, it should be delayed so that people can give Zakat al-Fitr to those who are supposed to receive it, as the Prophet said, that give Zakat al-Fitr before the Eid Salah. So it's preferable to delay the Eid al-Fitr Salah. So this is a ruling as far as the timing of Eid Salah is concerned.
Jazakallah khair for the answer, Dr. Zakir.